Okay, so my next question is, how do you assert the presence, visibility, and state of a web elements in Cypress? And why do we do that assertion? This is my question as well.
When we assert the presence and visibility and state of web element using commands like dot should exit, dot should be visible, and dot should be enabled. In BACORON API testing project, I use Cypress to verify 5 web elements presence, visibility, and state during the test. For instance, I checked that a login button existed with cy.get login button dot should exist was visible with cy.get login button dot should be visible and was enabled with cy.get login button dot should be enabled. This assertion ensured that the UI behave as expected under various conditions.
Got it. So in the test automation, while the machine is going to run and execute the test. So this assertion visibility actually ensure the acceptance criteria of the user story, basically.
Yes. Yeah.